Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Capital One. Specifically, I'm going to be answering the question, is Capital One an online bank? Before I get into that, though, I want to take a moment to talk about what an online bank is. An online bank is a bank that does not have any physical branches. All of its banking is done online or through mobile apps. Online banks offer a number of advantages over traditional banks. They typically have lower fees, better interest rates, and more convenient hours. They also offer a wider range of products and services. Now, back to Capital One. Is it an online bank? The answer is yes and no. Capital One does offer a number of online banking services, such as online banking, mobile banking, and bill pay. However, Capital One also has a network of physical branches. So, you can choose to do your banking online or in person. So, what are the pros and cons of banking with Capital One? Pros. Lower fees. Capital One typically has lower fees than traditional banks. Better interest rates. Capital One often offers higher interest rates on savings accounts and CDs. More convenient hours. Online banks are open 24/7, so you can do your banking at any time that is convenient for you. Wider range of products and services. Online banks offer a wider range of products and services than traditional banks. This includes things like online loans, credit cards, and investment accounts. Cons. No physical branches. If you prefer to do your banking in person, you may not be happy with an online bank. Limited customer service. Online banks typically have smaller customer service teams than traditional banks. This can mean that you may have to wait longer to get help if you have a problem. Should you choose Capital One? The decision of whether or not to choose Capital One depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you are looking for a bank with low fees, better interest rates, and more convenient hours, then Capital One may be a good choice for you. However, if you prefer to do your banking in person or if you need extensive customer service, then you may want to consider a traditional bank instead. Here are some additional things to keep in mind when choosing a bank. What are your banking needs? Do you need a checking account, a savings account, a credit card, or a loan? What is your budget? Some banks charge monthly fees for certain accounts. What is your preferred method of banking? Do you prefer to do your banking online, in person, or over the phone? Once you have considered these factors, you can make an informed decision about which bank is right for you. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one.